Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Malakwal, a city bursting with life and color. As a tehsil of Mandi Bahauddin district, Malakwal is a treasure trove of excitement and discovery. Explore the vibrant markets where you can find everything from fresh produce to handicrafts. Catch the train at the historical Malakwal Railway Station, connecting you to major cities across Pakistan. Discover the serene Malakwal Lake. Malakwal is a city that will capture your heart with its warmth, hospitality, and nature beauty.